Well, good morning, viewers from Forky G2 Outdoors. As you just saw, Jackson is loading up his 410. He's also got my Remington 1100. I've got Craig's Remington 870 Wingmaster, and I've also got an extra gun I got to shoot today. So we're going to go out and do a little dove hunting this morning. As you know, Jackson and I started this a long time ago, and each year we had somebody new. So today we got a special guest. It is the founder and owner of Forky G2 Outdoors, Craig Morris. He's going to go out and dove hunt today, so we're going to see what he's made of. Usually he has a bow in his hand or his special new gun, his Savage 220. So today we're going to let him sling some BBs at these doves and see what kind of man he is with the shotgun today. Hang tight, we'll see you guys up there at the field. Let's stand with that. Left the dove up there too.
Did I?
Yeah.
Did it blend in?
Yeah, it's right there where you.
It totally just blended in.
Stop. It's called the Donut World here in Lancaster, Ohio. It is probably the best donuts in the state. So if you guys are ever in Lancaster, or if you're hunting with Forky G2 Outdoors, you need to go with us to go pick up morning donuts. They've got a certificate here on the wall that says Winners of Excellence Donut World Bakery 2016-2017. So you know they're good donuts. Good morning. I need 3 of the blueberry cake donuts, whatever. 2 of the cinnamon sugar twists. And do you have any pumpkin donuts? You do have pumpkin donuts. Can I get 2 of those? And can I get 3 French vanillas? Large. Yeah, I got all these guys. They'll hold them. But thank you for asking. Right. Jackson. Thank you. There you go. Steven, we're just pulling out of Donut World. We're heading up to our little spot we call the P&R. We're going to go up there and shoot some doves this morning, and we'll get back to you once we pull in up there at the field and get everything set up and ready to rock and roll. Jackson drank a little bit of coffee and ate some donuts. So we're here, we're going to unload, get everything ready to rock and roll, get all set up, and then we'll hopefully get some good footage of some doves coming in and out today. It's always a good time to hunt with my son. I'm always excited about that. So now we can just get a bow in his hand. He loves this shotgun stuff, but I got to get a bow in his hand. So we'll get right back to you as soon as we get out there. Hey, I got you. All right, we're here getting ready to unload the guns. Make sure we got all of our gear set up. We got some dove decoys we're going to hang up today. See if we can use a little extra effort to get them to come in to our spot today. Last time we were here, Jackson left a few of them, so we'll hope they're still there. Like I said, Jackson's going to hunt with a 410 today. Craig's going to hunt with the 20 gauge Wingmaster. I'm going to use the 1100. So I looked out just over the hillside where the tree that we like to set up, watch it come in through the field. There's a bunch of doves flying in and out right now, so hopefully we'll get some doves on the ground and have a good hunt today. So we'll see you guys on out there in the field. Well, we're finishing up our second dove hunt of the 2018 season. Craig, which is still running the camera, Jackson was the only one victorious today. He was able to take only one dove. We got out there and we got there. They were in and out, but we just couldn't get any close enough or anything for a good enough shot. So we sat there, I don't know, about an hour and a half, and then they started coming in a little bit hotter. So Jackson, tell us a little bit about how you harvested that dove today.
Oh, first of all, I took his book. So they're in a tree. I kind of just snuck up on him and just shot him. And then 45 minutes later, he finally found it. So
yeah, it fell out of the tree into some multiple rose bushes and stuff. So makes it a little difficult to find a gray bird in multiple rose bushes with a bunch of dead trees around. So I think our next step is to look for some dogs that can find these doves a little easier for us. I'm getting a little too old to be crawling through the brush while he continues to hunt. So next week is the big weekend. Next weekend is the big weekend here in the state of Ohio. We're gonna start bow hunting. Hopefully we have a weekend like we have today. Highs today is supposed to be around 65. It would be a good day to sit in the tree stand. So next week we're going to get back after it. I don't know if Craig's going to be able to get out next week. I know we've already got a hunt planned for the 5th, 6th, and 7th of October. So I don't know how much we'll be live streaming from there. Keep checking our website at 40G2 Outdoors for any updates, and then also check our log for any hunts that we're doing, or if any hunts that you think that you guys might be interested in having us do, or that you want to send us. Just go to our comment page and we'll get back to it.